Good morning, students. This is our GK class. Okay, so let us study. Last day we have done in book then and now. Okay, then and now. Finish. Now next, today we are going to do page number 40 and 41. What is the heading? Telling time. Before going to start, I want to say, nowadays you are seeing many variety of watch. Okay, so this watch is what? This watch tell you time, but how? You have to learn. Okay, the same way many things from olden days they have used. Now modern gadgets has came. Earlier what they use? Okay, what things that tell us time, that thing we are going to study. New watch or clock you don't know about, some you have seen and some you have not seen, so that type of things we are going to study here. Okay, this is our page number 40. The heading is telling time. A clock shows the time by moving its hand on a dial. A clock shows us time how? By moving its hand on a dial. This round will be a dial and hand will be tick 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 like this. There are few types of clock that does not use hands to show the time. Some clocks are there which does not have hand to show the time. There are something else to show the time. That type of clocks also we are going to see here. Name the different types of clocks. Here many pictures are given. You have to name the different types of clocks. See first one. On a stone there is carved this type of like in our watch they are given 5 minutes, 60 minutes is carved, and here is one thing which is raised up. When the sun rays will fall on it, the shadow will tell us what's the time. Okay, this type of thing is known as sundial. What it is? Sundial. It moves according to the sun. This is a sundial. Okay, next. See, below there is a pendulum which moves to and fro. Okay, like this. So this is known as pendulum clock. What it is? Pendulum clock. Understand? Next one. See, very beautiful. Okay, it is very beautiful, and when it is o'clock, a bird will come out and she will sing cuckoo cuckoo like this. That is why this is known as cuckoo clock. What it is known as cuckoo. Amazing, na? Man has made this. Okay, when the time will come, suppose 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, o'clock, then the cuckoo will come out and she will sing. Okay, this is known as cuckoo clock. Next one, see, there is water, and due to water the hands are moving. This is known as water clock. Okay, these are the experimental clocks. It is mostly you can find, we can see, or we can found in somebody who do research work or scientists like that, not in a normal house. This is a water clock. Okay, next one, see, this is also when you play, this kind of things are there. Sand clock. Okay, this side sand is there up to 1 minute or 2 minutes, and when you just put it in opposite direction, the sand will flow. Your time start now. When the sand will finish, your time up. This is known as sand clock. Okay, next, this one is known as talking clock. Means it will say wake up. If you put an alarm, or if it is 12 o'clock, then it is 12 o'clock. Okay, so this watch has something speaker like audio type thing, When the time is that, it will speak. Okay, it will speak. So this is known as talking clock. Understand? Next, this one is known as analog clock. Simple, just moving. If you put the alarm, it will ring like this. So this is known as analog because it's have dial, hands, everything. So this is known as analog clock. See the next one. There is no hands, no numbers. Okay. It's only show what's the time, 5:17. Then PM AM also. So this is known as digital clock because digital, either you put battery or wire, it works and it will say the time. This is known as digital clock. Okay, this is analog and this is digital. Next one, radio clock. Means radio is there, it is for radio purpose, and also this side it is a clock also, it show you time. So this is known as radio clock. Okay. Next, this one, it has no belt or anything. It is a dial only and a big chain is there. This is known as what? Pendant clock. Here a hook is there and it is put in the pocket. When you want to, you can take out and see the time. Either you can hold in your hand. It has a chain. Okay, when you want, you can open and see. So it is known as pendant clock. Okay, one more time I am repeating. First one, sundial. Second one, pendulum clock. This one, cuckoo clock. This one, water clock. This one, sand clock. This one, talking clock. This one, analog clock. This one, digital clock. And this one, radio clock. And this one, pendulum clock. Okay. Now see, some information is given. The Samrat Yantra is a sundial. See, there is a picture. It is a Samrat Yantra. Okay. So it is a what? It is a big sundial. It is a big sundial. It is one of the world's largest sundial. Means one of the. There are many sundials which are very big. So it is one of the largest. It is counted one of the largest sundial. It is 88 feet high. It is located in Jaipur, India. It is how much feet high? 88 feet high. It is very much high. Okay, 88 feet high. And where it is? We can see it in Jaipur, in India. Okay. Understand? This is known as Samrat Yantra. Earlier, they used to see the time by this Samrat Yantra. Understand? Now come to our next. Last day I have teach you gadgets. Okay? All about gadgets, and this is also a gadget because clock is also a gadget. Modern days we are using such a nice thing for our study. So, based on that, I have given you question, what is a gadget? What you will say? A gadget is a machine which is used for a particular purpose. What is the gadget? A gadget is a machine A gadget is a machine which is used for a particular purpose. Okay? So this is a gadget definition. You have to learn. Our next question is write any 5 kind of gadget. You can write mixer grinder, washing machine, refrigerator, electronic fan, vacuum cleaner. So many are there. Okay, so these are the gadgets. So go through it. Okay, on gadgets I have given you 2 questions. What is a gadget? And write any 5 kind of gadget. Then I have make you write what? Fill in the blanks. Interactive dash, large board connected to a dash. Interactive whiteboard. What it is? Whiteboard is connected to a large what? Computer is connected to a dash. What it is? Computer. Okay. Today we have done what? Clock. Which tell you to go through it and learn them. If I give you write 5 kind of clock, you have to write. You can write analog clock, pendulum clock, digital clock, water clock, sand clock, talking clock, whatever. Learn them. Next day we are going to discuss the extra question what I have given you in the copy about these 2 chapters. First one, then and now means gadgets, and next one is telling time clock. Okay, up to this our book page is over. Go through it and learn it. Okay, thank you students.